This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Saitake controller. First, ensure your controller is fully charged or has fresh batteries for uninterrupted gameplay. We will cover both wireless Bluetooth pairing and direct wired connections, providing a comprehensive guide for seamless setup. You will learn the specific button combinations and indicator light meanings to get your controller ready in just a few moments, ensuring you can start playing without any hassle. To connect wirelessly, first power on your Saitake controller by holding the home button for about 3 seconds. Next, activate its pairing mode. This usually involves holding a specific button, like the X button plus the home button, until the indicator light flashes rapidly. On your device, navigate to its Bluetooth settings and scan for new devices. You should see Saitake or a similar name appear. Select it to establish the wireless connection, and the light will become solid. For a reliable wired connection, you will need a compatible USB cable, typically a USB-C or micro USB, depending on your specific Saitake model. Connect one end of the cable to the controller's charging port and the other end to an available USB port on your gaming device, such as a PC, console, or Android phone. Most devices will automatically detect and configure the controller within a few seconds. This method provides a stable, low-latency connection, perfect for competitive gaming sessions where every millisecond counts. If you encounter any connection issues, first ensure your Saitake controller has sufficient power. A low battery can prevent successful pairing. Try resetting the controller by pressing a small reset button, often located in a tiny hole on the back. Also, check for any available driver or firmware updates for your gaming device, as these can resolve compatibility problems. Always refer to your specific Saitake model's user manual for detailed instructions and troubleshooting steps, as features can vary slightly between models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.